Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make dhaba style tadka, and this tadka is very simple to make, but you will get the exact taste of roadside dhaba. So for this we need whole green gram dal or moong dal, but you should take the whole moong dal, and then half cup of chana dal or gram dal. We'll soak it for 3 to 4 hours. Do not soak it for long time, otherwise you won't get the proper texture in your dal. After 3 to 4 hours, take your dal in a pressure cooker. If you soak it for 2 hours also, that will be okay, but don't soak it more than 3 to 4 hours. After putting your dal, just add 5 to 6 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric to this, and then cook it on high heat for 2 whistles. If you are using gas stove, just switch off it after 2 whistles, but if your burner is like mine, just move it to other burner after 2 whistles. Otherwise, if you leave it on the heated burner, the dal will be overcooked and you won't get the proper taste. For tadka, we need 1 big size onion chopped, 2 big size tomato chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Now heat a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil to this. If you want, you can add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter here. That will give better taste. And then add cumin seeds, just allow it to crackle. Then add the onions. Fry the onions till it's light golden brown. Then we'll add the ginger garlic paste. Now you can see the onion is light golden brown. Now I added ginger garlic paste. Just you have to fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. If it is sticking to the pan, you can add 2 tablespoons of water with the ginger garlic paste. And after frying for 3 to 4 minutes, add the tomatoes. After adding tomatoes, add 1 teaspoon of salt here and half teaspoon of turmeric again, because we have added only 1 teaspoon of salt to the dal. If you add salt while cooking your masala will be cooked quickly. So if you add salt here, the tomatoes will be soft very soon. Now tomatoes are soft, and now I added garam masala and chili powder. Just mix it well and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes, or wait till your masala leaves oil, and after that add the cooked dal. Now you can see the texture of the dal. It should be like this, like it should look like it's a whole moong, and it should be soft. It should not open up totally. If you overcook the dal, then you are going to spoil the taste. After adding dal, we are not going to cook it for a long time. Just add it and wait till it starts boiling. And after it starts boiling, just add the fenugreek leaves. Just crush it by hand and add it to the dal. These are the dry fenugreek leaves. If you want, you can just microwave it for 30 seconds. It will be easy to crush in hand. After adding the fenugreek leaves, just switch off the burner. It's ready to serve. If you want, you can add 1 tablespoon of ghee here. Whether you want to add butter at the time of cooking, or else you can add ghee at the end if you want, that is optional. But here I didn't add any butter or ghee. Without adding butter or ghee, that will also give nice taste. And now it is ready to serve. You can serve it with naan, paratha, roti, chapati, anything you want. So try this recipe, serve your family and friends, and let me know how it came out. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get the notification whenever I am uploading the new videos, and don't forget to comment.